Hello and welcome everyone to today's video. So in this video today, we are going to walk around the AI and machine learning week 1 assignment. So the assignment is that for this week, complete the following task and submit on your portal as your assignment for the week, which is discuss the importance of machine learning in various industries. For each of the industries mentioned, give 5 core uses of machine learning and 1 product each in those industries where machine learning works under the hood. Give a detailed overview of the differences between AI and machine learning. After that, submit a detailed report of the task on your dashboard. Right. So we are going to walk through this assignment and go through it in detail in this tutorial so that you are going to understand how to do it. So please, if you like the content, please help me subscribe to the channel, do share and comment about this also in the comment section. So without much further ado, let's get right into solving these particular questions. So here's a Google document for the week 1 assignment. So for the first assignment, we are asked to look at the importance of machine learning in various industries. So machine learning has become a transformative force across various industries, enabling companies to streamline operations and enhance decision making, also to provide specialized customer experiences. By analyzing various amounts of data, machine learning algorithms can predict outcomes, optimize processes, and improve efficiency, making it an essential tool in the modern technological landscape. So I actually selected 5 sectors where this particular machine learning algorithms are actually widely applied, right? Which is actually what they also talked about in the assignment. So let's go right now. So the first one is in the telecommunications industry. So some core uses of machine learning in telecommunications is churn predictions, where we identify customers which are likely to switch to competitors, allowing for retention strategies. Network optimization, where we actually have to analyze traffic patterns to improve network performance and reduce downtime. Customer support automation, where chatbots are used to handle some inquiries and enhance user experiences. So, an example product that uses this machine learning algorithm in the telecommunication projects is MTN Nigeria, where they use to analyze customer data for personalized marketing campaigns and improved customer service experiences. So the second is on retail and e-commerce. The core use of machine learning in retail and e-commerce is for product recommendations, where products are suggested based on customer behavior. Dynamic pricing, where prices are adjusted based on if it is Christmas or Xmas or Salah or whenever. So prices are adjusted in real time based on market demand and supply. Inventory management, where they predict stock levels to prevent shortages. Customer sentiment analysis, fraud prevention also, to detect suspicious activities in online transactions. So example is in Jumia, where they use machine learning for recommending different products based on what you have searched or based on a particular product you have actually bought from the online store. The third is in entertainment and media, where machine learning is used in content recommendation, advertisement targeting, sentiment analysis, etc. So example of a product that uses machine learning is Iroko TV, where they use machine learning algorithms to recommend movies and shows to users based on their viewing habits, enhancing their user engagement and satisfaction. Also, we have Netflix, we also have Prime TV, etc. They use these machine learning algorithms to help to predict to customers the kind of movie they need to watch. The fourth sector is manufacturing sector. So in manufacturing, some core use of machine learning is in predictive maintenance, where they have to forecast equipment failures and reduce downtime. Quality control, that is inspecting products for defects using computer vision to improve logistics and inventory management. Process optimization, which is to streamline production tasks. We also have energy optimization, where we have to reduce energy consumption in manufacturing processes. So example of a company that uses this particular approach is Innocent Vehicle Manufacturing, which employs machine learning to optimize its production process, ensuring high standards in vehicle production. So please, if you are watching this video for this particular point, please help me subscribe to this channel if you haven't. Also share this video to others. The fifth one is in finance, where the core use of machine learning is in fraud detection, which is to identify fraudulent transactions in real time, risk assessment, algorithm trading, customer support, personalized banking, etc. So Kuda Bank, OPay, and all the rest of them employ machine learning algorithms to analyze transaction patterns for fraud detection and to offer personalized banking services to their users and customers. So the part 2 part is an overview of the differences between artificial intelligence and machine learning, but they are often used interchangeably, yet they represent the same concept within the field of computer science. Artificial intelligence is the broader concept of enabling machines to perform tasks that typically require human intelligence, such as understanding language, recognizing patterns, and solving problems. AI encompasses different subfields, including machine learning, deep learning, computer vision, natural language processing, reinforcement learning, etc. So machine learning actually is a subset of AI that specifically focuses on enabling machines to learn from data and improve their performance over time without being explicitly programmed. Machine learning models use algorithms to find patterns in data to make predictions or decisions. AI is the umbrella term, while machine learning is one approach to use to achieve artificial intelligence. Machine learning requires data to function, whereas some AI systems may not even require extensive data to learn the processes. Example is Alexa. So when Alexa, you can actually tell it to off your light, turn off the bulb, and everything. These are actually AI systems. Your voice was not used to train that particular computer, but then it can recognize your voice and then do this particular prompts you want it to do. That's an AI in practice. So in terms of goals and application, AI aims to simulate human cognition and can be designed for specific tasks or as general intelligence. Applications include autonomous driving, virtual assistance, robotic automation, etc. Machine learning focuses on improving specific tasks with a system by learning from data patterns. It is commonly used in predictive analysis, recommendation engines, image recognition, etc. In terms of techniques, AI techniques include symbolic reasoning, heuristic search, expert system, and natural language processing, while machine learning uses techniques such as supervised learning, unsupervised learning, and reinforcement learning to train these machines. Examples of machine learning and AI products are, in terms of AI, we have Google Assistant, like Alexa. We also have Siri, that uses AI to understand natural language, interpret context, and answer questions. In terms of machine learning, we have Netflix, that uses machine learning to suggest movies or shows based on viewers' history, right? So that is about artificial intelligence and machine learning. If you really enjoyed this content, please do help me subscribe to this channel. Also share it to others so they can also benefit from it. So let's go. Without further ado, we just have to click on the share button and then change this from restricted to anyone with the link, and then you copy the link. After copying the link, you can now submit this link on your dashboard, and that is that about the assignment. Do have a nice day.